What's good, y'all? It's your girl, Blocks by FK. Welcome to my channel.
If I die right now, wrap me in money. I promise my niggas I get the cash right. Oh, yeah. Baby, you love me like it's the last time. Yeah. Let's make love like it's the last time. Oh, yeah. I told my niggas let's get money. Flex to them niggas that they're funny. Yeah. Now she acting like she want me.
Today I will be reviewing the unboxing of the Telfar bag. Anyway, it came in a box like this. Just a little box like this. I got the small mini bag. It literally came in 2 days, y'all. For real. Like, I didn't even expect it. I didn't even know this was it when it came. I was like, what is this? You open the box and ta-da! It has a nice little dust bag with the logo on the front. I think this is, disposable, but I'm gonna keep it. This is the bag. I got the navy blue. This is faux leather, so it's not real leather, it's a vegan leather bag. Small shopper. I can't wait to wear this bag, y'all. This is the first bag that I have in hand, but the first bag I actually ordered was through their buyer's protection program. It was really good because I was able to order it. It didn't sell out fast. I mean, these bags sell out so quick, y'all. Like, for real. You go on a website and they just sold out. I signed up for their emails, so I was getting their emails, and that's how I ordered this. Like, I was on that website at 8:58, and it's always on at 9 a.m. And I was on it. It wasn't even hard for me to get the bag, to be honest. The first one that I ordered through the bag protection program, they ship out from December 15th to January 15th. So it will basically be like a holiday bag, like gift to myself. So the bag is like this. Double short straps and double long straps. You could carry it like this. Like this. Or like this. I love this color. It's real chic. It's not black, but it ain't like loud blue either. It's like a subtle navy blue. It's everyday bag. It has this little clip-on button right here that it snaps on. And this is the inside. And it has like a little pocket right here. And I was thinking, like, what can I fit in this bag? Like, in this little pocket here. The only thing I could think about is a bag of weed. Yes, I said it, weed. That's the only thing I'm thinking, but to each his own. You could probably put, I don't know, for real. Speaking of what can fit in there, I actually have a few things here in front of me that I'm gonna be putting in here so you guys can get an idea of what can fit in this bag. Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Oops. This Dior travel size perfume. I got my Metro card, my debit card, and my ID. Right in there. I'm telling you, nothing could fit in that little pocket but a dime bag or a dub or something. Don't mind me, y'all. A comb. If you have a plus, you could put it horizontally and it would fit in there, but it would kind of like push the sides a little to just give you an idea. Or you could leave it vertically, but it would be sticking out a little bit. And if you have a regular sized iPhone or any other regular sized phone, it could fit in here. Just drop it in there and it'll fit. To get an idea, you see, this is my phone case. So it's like this, or horizontally like this. You see? You could fit, what else could we fit in here? I have my little brush. I'll put that in here. We have a lighter. So this bag is a small bag, but you could fit stuff. I ain't gonna tell you what I keep in here, but you could keep coins in here. So it's, you don't want to keep loose change in here and throw that in there. During COVID, I know it's important to keep hand sanitizer in you. You could keep a nice little travel size hand sanitizer and throw it in there. That could fit. You could put your translucent powder here. I got my Iman translucent powder. And here I have it. Shopping bag with coin purse, loose translucent powder, a brush, comb, a phone, lighter, perfume, debit card, ID, Metro card, lip gloss. I don't have my keys around, but you could put your keys in here too. That's why they call it the shopping bag, okay, sis? Okay? get into it. This blue color. The other one that I'm waiting for is a nice little tan color. You know, tan and brown is in, honey. Neutral, simplistic colors are in. This is cute. And I plan on getting a medium size one. I don't know which color yet. Maybe a nice little summer color. I'm gonna style this with a nice little fit. If anything more that you guys would like to see, more unboxing videos, let me know. Also like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Beauty by FK. That's all, guys. Have a good one.